Hi guys, so thank you for coming to my channel. I'm just unboxing my new iPad mini 5. As you can see, it comes with a plastic film that I just removed. This model came out in 2019. So it comes with a USB cable and the charger box for the iPad. Be sure to use this particular box because the smaller ones are not strong enough to charge the iPad. So you have to use this type of box for the iPads. So the iPad also comes with a plastic film for protection. The power button is at the top, as you can see here. You press it down and it turns on. And also when you order online, you can actually customize the iPad and have stuff engraved in the back. So mine says my name and sky is the limit. So now we're at the main screen. You select your language, your country, and then you just set it up manually. And that is my new iPad mini 5. Thank you for watching. Subscribe below.